Cout and Cin statements. The statements Cout and Cin are the standard input and output statements. Cout. The Cout is the C++ keyword, and the statement enclosed with double quotes will be printed in the output screen. D is the output operator, is used to output a value to the standard output media monitor. Cin. The Cin is the standard input statement in C++. It is used to accept the value from the user. The is the input operator used to read a value from the standard input. Control flow. Control flow instructs the program how to make a decision and how further the processing should proceed on the basis of that decision. Control flow gets your computer to start doing some of the thinking for you. Each of the statements like if-else, and if-else-if can be used to control how your program executes by determining if a condition is true and then executing a different section of the code based on result. This is called as conditional expression. Conditional expressions. Conditional expressions will generally execute one of several sections of code on the basis of a conditional test. Conditional expressions are used to make decisions in a program. They are used to evaluate whether a condition is true or false and will branch to different sections of code on the basis of the answer. If statement. The simplest but the most important expression is the if statement. An if statement makes up a conditional expression. The syntax of if statement is given: if expression, statement, or if expression, statement 1, statement 2. If the expression in the parenthesis evaluates to the boolean true, statement or statements is or are executed. If the expression evaluates to false, statement is skipped and execution continues at the statement following the if statement. If-else statement. There is an optional companion to the if statement that can extend its usefulness, the else statement. The statement following the if expression is executed only if the expression evaluates to true. The statement following the else is executed only when the if expression evaluates to false. The syntax of if-else statement is given below: if expression, statement, else statement, or if expression, statement 1, statement 2, else statement 1, statement 2. Here, if the expression evaluates to true, then the statement or statements after if will be executed. If the expression evaluates to false, then the statement or statements after else will be executed. Nested if statement. You can also nest if statements within each other if you need a more complex multi-way branch. You can use one if or if-else statement inside another if or if-else statement or statements. Switch case statement. A switch case statement is used to a value to be tested against a list of values. The values are checked for each case, and if a match is found, then the corresponding statement or statements will be executed. The syntax of switch case statement is given below. Switch expression, case value 1, statement 1, break. Case value 2, statement 2, break. Case value 3, statement 3, break. Default statement. Here the value of the expression is compared with the value corresponding to the case. If a match is found, the statements corresponding to that particular case will be executed. The break statement is used to break the flow of execution of the program, and the statement or statements following the switch will be executed. The default keyword is used when none of the case value matches the value of the expression. Then the statements following the default will be executed. No break statement is required in default case. Top tip. Problem 1. What is the reason of the error message declaration syntax error? Solution 1. Check the declaration of the variable that may contain a missing symbol like semicolon. Problem 2. What would you check if the switch statement is giving the error data type mismatch? Solution 2. Check that the variable given after switch keyword must be an integer. Problem 3. What is the reason of the error message case statement missing? Solution 3. The expression in the case statement either is missing a colon or has an extra symbol before the colon. Problem 4. What is the reason of the error message case outside switch? Solution 4. Check the opening and closing braces of the switch statement. This error message is often caused due to mismatched braces. Problem 5. What is the reason if the error message memory overflow? Solution 5. This error occurs when a value assigned to the variable is too large for its range. No more. There are 3 types of errors in C++ given as syntax error. It refers to formal rules governing the construction of valid statements. Runtime error. It refers to the error that occurs during the execution of a program. Logical error. It refers to an error that produces incorrect and undesirable output. Example 1. Program using operators. Example 2. Program using a built-in function. Example 3. Program using conditional operator. Example 4. Program using if-else statement. Example 5. Program using if-else-if statement. Example 6. Program using switch case statement.